Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, checking in with an update from the Carolina Garden House, which is the location for the big native plant sale that is now less than 2 weeks away during the Spring Open Garden on Saturday, May 13th from noon to 4 p.m. Now, a few days ago, I put out the call to all of you to try and brainstorm some ideas for making sure that I've got all 52 different types of perennials labeled for the open garden. And, well, everybody gave me so many great ideas. And in the end, Hoffman Nursery has offered to print the labels that I need so that every plant will absolutely have a tag, so no one will. I've also gotten a whole bunch of used flats for attendees to be able to put together the collection of plants they want to be able to take home. No problems, also no bags needed. So I'm really excited about. And we have kind of settled on the idea of each plug is $5 a piece. You can buy 6 for $20, or you can build your own tray of 32 for $100 flat. So I hope that this will be able to make it so that everyone can come out and really indulge in some wonderful species of native perennials, grasses, sedges, to be able to include in your gardens at a size that is really practical, very affordable, and super easy to plant. That's really my goal with all of this, because of course I'm going to be planting a huge amount of this, well, at least some of everything that's here in the gardens. And I really just wanted to be able to share these great plants with other people because they're hard to track down and they're especially difficult to access in this size. So again, that plant sale is less than 2 weeks away. You can find all of the details on my website at breegrows.com. Just click the link on the homepage that says Spring Open Garden, and you'll find the complete plant list with descriptions for everything that's going to be offered. Now, this is a first come, first serve sale, so be sure to get here at noon. And remember, this open garden is free, no registration. Rain or shine, basically guaranteed to rain because I'm the one planning it. But I do hope that you'll be able to attend. I'm really excited to be able to share this. It's the first time that I've ever done anything like this. And, it's not something that I'm going to do every single time because as we build out these gardens, I'm going to run out of space and I'm not going to need to buy mass quantities of plants. So this is a unique experience to be able to make it so everybody can indulge in all of these great species that are native, and we can all learn together as we create garden spaces that are lower maintenance, that impact our environment positively, that are also beautiful and bring joy to all of our neighbors. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing you at the Spring Open Garden and Plant Sale. And as always, thanks so much for watching, everybody.